Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some stem ginger in syrup. Get some fresh ginger and peel it, and then cut it into small pieces. Put this in some cold water and bring to a boil. When it's boiled, remove from the heat and drain it. Add some more cold water and then bring to the boil again. Repeat this process about 2 more times, and then after the final time, put some sugar, golden syrup and water in a pot. Add in the ginger pieces and then stir this together. Put the pot on a hot plate and then stir until the sugar has dissolved. Leave this to boil until it turns into a syrup. Leave this to cool for a little bit and then put this into a sterilized jar. To watch a video on how to sterilize jars, click on the link above. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.